beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me.
Hey guys, so we're working on the Kubota L3010 today. Should be a pretty quick project. Putting this battery maintainer on it. It's a Schumacher SC1319. I picked it up from Tractor Supply for about 25 bucks plus tax. We're going to put the terminals onto our Kubota battery and kind of hardwire this in so that I can just plug it in when she sits. The tractor sits, you know, a lot of the time. It doesn't run very often. It has an older battery in it, which I'm not changing for the moment because it's functioning. But I just want to make sure it stays charged because it's pretty cold out here. It gets pretty cold out here, so that's what we're going to work on today, guys. So we get this out of the box. This is the end we're going to put on the tractor. Red's going to go to plus, black's going to go to negative. We're going to plug it in to the charger itself. We're going to probably zip tie this under the hood somewhere, and the cord will end up sticking out. So the first thing we've got to do here is take this lever and push it away from us. Pop this cover out of the way, which we'll also have to disconnect the headlight assembly here by pushing this tab, and there we go, it's out. Now we've got the front nose off. Okay, so we can see we've got the battery out here or down here, and if we can figure out how to get this cover off. This is the negative terminal on the tractor. It's a 12mm bolt. This one is the positive side, and it's a 10mm bolt. I don't know if this one looks to be original. I would say this one may have been changed, but I don't know. I'm not the original owner, so I don't know. So we're just going to basically take the nut off of each side here, like so. You may have to take your gloves off because it's easier said than done. With gloves on, anyway. Alright, there's one nut off. I'm going to take our harness here, take the negative side. We're going to place it right there on the terminal. We're going to put our nut back on. Is cold. Okay. Alright, there's one side nice and snug. We'll work on, let's do the other side now. Get our 10mm wrench on there. There's the nut off. I take our positive terminal here, like so. Put our nut back on here. Now we have the tractor side installed. What we've got to do now is go get some zip ties, and we're going to put the charge pack somewhere under the hood. We're going to plug it all in. We're going to find a spot to snake the 120 volt side of the charge pack through the hood so that we can plug it in. So on this tractor it has a block heater of some sort. the cord comes out this side. So we're gonna stick the end of the cord for the battery charger out this side as well. And you can see down here, there's like a little gap between the plastic we'll call it fender and the tractor itself. So we're just gonna kind of tuck that in there and tuck that guy in there like that. And I don't even think that we need to get crazy with any zip ties, because this, I think, no, maybe it won't fit now. Alright, so we'll have to find a spot to put the pack itself. So I've changed up the game a little bit. Originally I was going to put the charger right on top of the battery. I didn't really like the way that was seated in there, just because the grill and everything, the whole thing would be exposed to the elements. So what we're doing now is I've got the sides off the tractor and I am running it up into this protected compartment here, and we're gonna fish the cables through the side so that I can plug it in with the block heater, and then plug the battery harness in up front. So got it up here on top of the tank. We're gonna snake the cable down here so you can see where the block heater, the factory block heater cord comes out. We're gonna snake that down there. We're gonna hook them together. That way I can just get like some kind of an outdoor power strip and plug them both in. Now to take care of that, we've got the charge side up underneath the hood here. We're going to strap it to there's some lines running over here. We're just going to run it parallel, and then we'll connect it down here, and that will keep the charge pack out of the weather. You'll have to be careful when you fill it with diesel fuel, because so you don't spill any in there. But I don't really like that spot, but it keeps it out of the weather and it should be just fine. So that's kind of how we're doing it. Zip tie strips, and that's pretty much how we're putting a charger in the Kubota. We're going to get some more zip ties. We're going to zip tie this down here nice and neat. This will be a nice clean installation. Just snip this guy, we'll put this guy up here like so. Keep it out of the weather. Snip these guys off. Now we've got to put this cover back on this side, put the cover back on the other side, and that should be you like these videos, guys, please be sure to like and subscribe below. Leave me a comment, send me a message. You can follow me along on Instagram, ACHubbard117. Sorry it's been a little delayed on videos. I've been traveling for work over the last couple of weeks. So we'll be having more dart videos. I'm working on an F-150 video. I was chasing broken parts with that. So stay tuned, guys. There's more videos coming, I promise.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else.